Superlink to see what makes a house not just a home, but a true luxury sanctuary. So, let's step right in. Right off the bat, as we approach the property, which is located in the exclusive enclave of Ujong Pasir, Melaka, you are greeted by this incredibly striking modern facade. I mean, just look at that multi-tiered structural design and height profile. It immediately commands presence on the street. Notice the deep, fully tiled covered car porch configuration too. That is specifically designed to comfortably accommodate multiple family vehicles, which, let's be honest, is a huge plus. And securing this entire front line is a premium rust-resistant stainless steel perimeter sliding safety gate. It's just this perfect blend of high-end security and fantastic modern curb appeal. Okay, let's dive into this. Before we walk through the front door, let's quickly map out exactly what we're looking at structurally, because this is a really substantial footprint. We're talking about a freehold property with an individual title. That means you own the land outright without any of those restrictive shared strata rules, literally the absolute gold standard from an investment standpoint. It features 2.5 stories of highly optimized living space, encompassing an impressive 6 bedrooms in total. That breaks down to 1 grand master suite and 5 generous rooms, alongside 4 premium bathrooms. But what really sets this home apart is the custom architecture. It's fully loaded with built-in cabinetry, integrated multi-zone climate control, and structural enhancements that elevate it way, way beyond your standard build. Stepping inside the ground floor, you immediately feel the expanse of that open concept layout. Notice how the polished premium porcelain tile flooring practically bounces the natural light around the room, making it feel so bright and welcoming. Over in the living lounge, there's a beautiful custom-molded dark-bordered TV media console backboard that anchors the whole entertainment space. But stepping further in, wow, you discover a true gourmet culinary suite. It's absolutely a chef's dream. Outfitted with high-gloss white modular cabinetry stretching across the walls, sleek, dark countertops, and a modern black glass kitchen hood extractor. The absolute centerpiece, though, is that massive, built-in breakfast island and counter. I mean, it's practically begging to host a Sunday morning brunch, right? Now, as we move from the living area toward the dining zone, you'll notice this brilliant little architectural feature. This sophisticated vertical timber slat space divider is beautifully integrated with a matching white glass display showcase cabinet. You know, in open-concept homes, the biggest challenge is often defining functional zones without putting up solid walls that just block out all the light and conversation. Well, this custom divider does exactly that. It elegantly separates the living space from the dining area, giving each zone its own distinct identity, while seamlessly maintaining the home's open, airy vibe. Now, what's really interesting about this next feature is how it transforms something purely functional into a focal point. When it comes to vertical flow, stairs are often a total afterthought in home design. But here, architecture truly meets art. As we head up, take a look at this major premium architectural upgrade. We've got transparent, thick structural glass balustrades paired beautifully with solid darkwood handrails. This isn't just about safety, it's a massive aesthetic asset. The robust, wide steps are completely modernized by the glass, allowing natural light to cascade down the stairwell totally unimpeded. It makes the journey between floors feel incredibly open and, honestly, super luxurious. Arriving on the second floor, you're greeted by an incredibly versatile family hub. On one side, we have an open family lounge that's perfectly optimized as a home office, study, or maybe a library. It comes complete with dedicated climate control and these fantastic, long, custom-fitted white bookshelves, totally ready for your personal collection. Transitioning into the private quarters, the junior suites are essentially move-in ready. They feature custom floor-to-ceiling white wardrobes to absolutely maximize storage, integrated fitted study desks, and really stylish custom headboards with built-in side tables. And in a really thoughtful touch to make sure you get a pristine, fresh canvas, the sale excludes all previous mattresses so you can completely customize your own comfort. Of course, we definitely have to talk about the washrooms because they truly deliver a spa-like experience. Both the ground and second floors feature these highly upgraded premium bathrooms. They are fully clad in premium full-height wall tiling, which not only looks incredibly modern, but trust me, makes maintenance an absolute breeze. You'll spot modern wall-hung wash basins, but the real star of the show is the shower setup. They've installed luxury dual high-pressure rainfall shower towers. It's clean, it's contemporary, and it perfectly maintains that luxurious executive feel of the home in every single detail. And this brilliantly illustrates the absolute climax of our property tour. We are now on the top floor, which is entirely dedicated to the Grand Master Sanctuary. This is a massive, private retreat curated for ultimate comfort. Your eyes are probably immediately drawn to that expansive, floor-to-ceiling, multi-panel white wardrobe wall. Let's just say storage will literally never be an issue here. The room is serviced by a high-capacity split AC window-ceiling cassette unit to keep things perfectly cool. But my personal favorite touch, right beneath the window, there is a beautifully custom-built window bay daybed storage bench. It's just the perfect little nook to read a book, soak in the morning light, and start your day in total peace. But wait, that's not all the top floor has to offer. On this half level, we also find this highly flexible guest bedroom. Because the home is so generously proportioned with 6 total rooms, this specific space gives the next owner total flexibility. It's super well ventilated, bright, and nicely separated from the bustle of the lower floors. You could so easily transform this into a premium home theater, an expansive hobby room, a private gym, or, simply keep it as wonderfully secluded premium guest quarters for when friends and family come to stay. So having seen the incredible custom architecture, that amazing gourmet culinary suite, the glass balustrade staircase, and of course that jaw-dropping master sanctuary, let's talk about the value. This bespoke premium asset is hitting the market with a highly competitive asking price of 1.5 million ringgit. When you stop and consider the location in Ujong Pasir, the individual freehold title, and the sheer amount of high-end, move-in-ready custom finishes that are already integrated into the property, it presents an absolutely exceptional investment opportunity for anyone looking for executive living. And you know what the best part is? That 1.5 million ringgit asking price is negotiable, meaning the door is wide open for the right buyer to secure this incredible 8-residence Superlink property. If you want to experience the spatial flow with the natural light and the premium materials firsthand, a private viewing is an absolute must. So as we wrap up our visual walkthrough today, I want to leave you with one final thought to ponder. Look back at the pristine canvas we just explored. Can you see yourself living your next chapter in this exact sanctuary?